Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you American Express Gold Card review. Is it worth it? So let's get started. So here we are in AmericanExpress.com, and we can see the American Express Gold Card right here. So this is where you apply for this. If you don't know how to get here, you can just go into google.com, go search for American Express Gold Card, and then you want to click on the first link, which is this one, and then you would now be prompted right here on this website. So now once you're here, right now you can get 90,000 membership rewards points instead of 60,000 right here as a welcome bonus. That's $900. When the card first launched, the bonus was much lower. As you can see, it's just 60,000. Plus you have 6 months to spend $4,000 to earn it, which is twice the usual time. So this is equal to $900 right here, just to clarify. And then the next thing is when you go here, as you can see how you earn, you have 4 times the points at restaurants worldwide, and you have 4 times the points at US supermarkets or groceries, which is $25,000 per year, and 3 times the points on flights booked directly or on amextravel.com, and you have the 1 times the points on other eligible purchases. And now for the credits and protection. So you have $120 for the dining credit, which is $10 per month at selected restaurants and food delivery services like Grubhub. And now the next one is the $120 for Uber Cash, which is also $10 per month for the Uber Eats or Rides. And you also have the travel and purchase protection, includes travel accident insurance, baggage insurance, and purchase protection. So you also have the hotel collection right here, which is get $100 experience credit with a 2-night minimum stay when you book the hotel collection through American Express Travel. And the next thing is you have the no foreign transaction fees, American Express preferred access, and earn more with Amex offered. And there is also the benefit of exclusive experiences, access events like Coachella, Kids' Choice Awards, and more. And the next thing is now I'm going to give you tips on how you can maximize benefits. So number 1 is to enroll in benefits. You need to link your card to Uber and Grubhub accounts. And then number 2 is use hotel collection. You can get 100 credit for that, and also room upgrades. And then number 3 is explore experiences. So you can take advantage of exclusive events. Number 4 is check Amex offers because they might have additional savings for you. And number 5 is to refer friends so that you would be able to earn points for each successful referral. And as you can see right here, you have all the benefits right here that you can get. So you can go for dining, you see everything right here, travel, and so on right here, and additional service. You can see it all right here. So just go into this website and you would be able to read it yourself. So yeah, I think that is everything for this video. So to answer the question, is it worth it? I conclude that even if with the $250 annual fee for the American Express Gold Card, it still offers incredible value and so much more. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.